Is your 2014 Honda Accord refusing to sync with your phone? Let's troubleshoot the Bluetooth connection in 2 minutes. Statistically, the vast majority of these issues are just software glitches that a quick reset can clear right up. Before we dive into hardware repairs, we need to isolate the problem. Start by clearing the handshake between devices and performing a full power cycle on both your phone and the car. If it still won't pair, check for too many stored profiles or outdated firmware on your smartphone. When software fixes fail, you might be looking at a blown fuse or a faulty hands-free link module. Try the simple resets first, but if the module itself has failed, you will need a professional technician. As you can see, the cost ramps up significantly if you move from simple software resets to replacing the hardware module. For the advanced DIY, use an OBD scanner to check for hidden audio codes before taking the dashboard apart. Keep these tools handy to safely access your dash and test electrical connections without damaging your trim. Remember, stay patient while troubleshooting and never force a panel that does not want to come off. If these steps helped you get your music playing again, hit subscribe for more Honda maintenance tips.